Hi, my name is Lindsay Davenport, and for my midterm topic, I chose to talk about geology. What is geology? What jobs can you get in this field? And who are geologists? What exactly do they study? And so, yes, let's dive in and learn about geology. What is geology? Geology is simply the study of the earth. Who are geologists? They are scientists who go out and explore the earth, and they examine the solids, liquids, and gases matter from the earth. What do geologists study? They study the interior and exterior surface of the earth, the minerals, rocks, and materials, the processes that have resulted in the formation of those materials, the water that flows over the surface and through the ground, and the changes that have taken place over the vastness of geological time, and the changes that we can anticipate will take place in the near future, like telling us when earthquakes will happen, when volcanoes will erupt. And with all that they study, there are a lot of jobs that is created in this field because it's broken down. And I'll give you some examples in a minute, but there is a lot. And I read that people are very happy in this field and they like their job. And they don't go out as much in the field. Most of the experiment or most of the work is done in the office and or a laboratory, but it's still a really cool field. Jobs in the field. This is just some examples of the many jobs in the field. Petroleum geoscientists, they go out and they find the oil and the gases for the resources that we use, that we need. They go out and they find the spots. A field assistant is exactly what it is. You go out, you help, explore, discover. Mine geologists, not only do they create the mines and make sure it's safe, but they also go in the mines and see what's in there, and they explore, they discover what minerals are down there or how rocks have formed. Hydrologists, they examine and look at the water on the surface of the earth. And back in the last slide, where it was talking about the water that flows over the surface and through the ground, that's one thing that they do. That's what they look at. And last thing is you can just simply teach about geology. Geology is very interesting, and I think there does need to be more teachers, but that's a few jobs that you can do. And yeah, this is my works cited. So that will be all. I hope you learned something, and good luck on the midterm.